I was introduced to the beauty of nature and wildlife at a very young age. The person who has had the biggest influence on my perspective of nature is my father. He bought me my first shotgun when I was just 5 years old, and everything I know about hunting and everything that I have accomplished so far, I owe to him. Hunting is my passion. It is my release from society. A current environmental issue that many people are not familiar with is the degrading of resources in the Prairie Pothole region. As seen here, the Prairie Pothole region is an area in North America that stretches from eastern Alberta down through the Dakotas and Minnesota to central Iowa. This area is filled with shallow depressions left behind by glacial recession that has formed a habitat that supports the breeding grounds for millions of waterfowl and many other aquatic species. This area is in need of further conservation. In some areas, up to 60% of the valuable habitat has been degraded due to agricultural land altercations. This change has made an impact on waterfowl nest success and has taken away this rare biome. Even though that hunting is my closest relationship with nature, I also find solace in hiking and camping. Hiking and camping are ways to get outdoors and have a one-on-one experience with nature. Soft skills that I find important are being able to separate yourself from everyday life while you're in nature, knowing how to enjoy and find peace while in the outdoors, and just realize how special nature really is. Knowing how to properly pack your backpack, what type of footwear is required, and what foods will give you the proper energy and nutrition are all hard skills that are important to learn. The trip to Lake Maria has reminded me of a few things. In nature, you get to spend some time with some great people. It takes a group effort to take care of the environment, and working as a team can get you farther than you've ever imagined.